model, 2021 Vauxhall Vivaro L1 Dynamic 2901.5, 100 PS, Turbo DS, non-runner engine is seized, VAT included. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 47,168. MOT, the 23rd of June 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 11,190.